Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless WAN module, wireless LAN module, solid-state drive, hard disk drive assembly, keyboard, and bottom frame. Removal. Grasp the top cover near the display panel hinges and open the notebook so that you have access to the cables in the keyboard bay on the top cover. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the USB board ZIF connector and disconnect the USB board ribbon cable from the system board. Grasp the top cover near the display panel hinges and close the notebook. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the USB board to the top cover. Carefully lift the left edge of the USB board off of the alignment pins and slide the connector out of the cutout in the top cover. Remove the USB board ribbon cable from the cutout in the top cover and remove the USB board. Reverse this procedure to install the USB board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.